Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have an Asus ROG Phone 3 with a cracked display, and David is here with us to replace it. So let's get to it. So you can see there's a slight crack on the side, and David has pointed that out a while ago. So we're going to proceed now to the removal of the back cover to start off this repair. This is going to be a tricky one, so we're going to use this plastic shim to slice through the adhesive. We don't want to damage the back cover, so we're going to take our time. Make sure we do it right. Still needs a bit of persuasion. We're gonna pour some IPA, alcohol, to the adhesive, just enough so it softens, and let go. The ROG Phone 3 is one of the first generations of the Asus ROG line. These are gaming smartphones. As you can see there, as we remove the heat sink, we have thermal paste on the GPU and CPU, so it can dissipate a lot of heat through that system. You can also see the battery is so big that it can last quite a long time while you game on it. And we have tested the replacement display, and it's good to go. So we just attached it to the connector right there on the side. Unfortunately, you can't do that testing on subsequent model of the ROG phone. So if you want to test the display, you have to reassemble everything first so you can see if the replacement display is good or not. Fortunately for this one, this is going to be a quicker one. This is more of your typical smartphone internal layout. You have the connector for the display going through the housing. And then David has already removed the display, and we need to prep the housing. So that means removing the adhesives left over from the old one, the old display. Make sure everything is clean. We're gonna put our own liquid adhesive, just enough so it can cover the entire surface, the entire side of the smartphone. It's not anymore factory, so if you're expecting it to be waterproof, it's not gonna be it. Just gonna be sufficient so that we can install a new display, hold on to it while you're using it, and maybe make it easier for the next repair to happen if you ever need to replace your screen again. We're gonna pull out the connector through the housing. This is a tricky one because it's relatively short. It's got a short route through this housing, and we're gonna press in the new display. So far we only removed the heat sink, I believe, and some screws. So this is quite easy, apparently. So if you want to try your own ROG Phone 3 repair, screen replacement, you can do so. But if you don't want to risk your smartphone and damage more parts in experimenting and DIYing the repair process, you can go to your local repair service technician or ask David here. You can reach him through chat on our Facebook page. You can also leave a comment on this video so he can help you out. Or you can visit Sydney CBD Repair Center if you're around town. If you're not, you can also send in your Asus ROG phone. We'll do something about it, fix it here in the shop, and once we're done with it, we'll send it back to you through mail in proper working condition, just like this one. Unfortunately, the client doesn't want us to go in using the phone's passcode, so that's gonna be okay. There's gonna be one who's gonna test the cameras, buttons, when they finally have their device back. We're gonna clean the screen, make sure everything is proper. I'm gonna wipe some grime off. Usually this is done when you're applying tempered glass. Maybe David is gonna install one for us here, and he is free of charge. Gonna slowly position it over the screen and zigzag your way around it. Look at that. Still a big bubble there. David is gonna fix it. Some dust on it. So thanks for joining, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you find this video useful, entertaining, or useful, informational. Then you can leave a comment down below, like and subscribe, and follow for more videos. This is going to be ready for the client, and we're happy to have you here. Thanks for joining, guys. Take care of yourself. We'll see you again next time. Cheers!
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.